It takes a tough material to stand up to even the routine conditions in a typical home or commercial space. From cuts and drops to drips and spills, our surfaces are under constant attack. When picking a surface that will be placed in high-use areas of the home, like kitchen, bath, or in food service, healthcare, educational, or other commercial environments, you need to know the material you pick will withstand the toughest wear and tear. DuPont Corian Solid Surface has the reputation of being tough. But accidents can happen, and when they do, it's good to know that your Corian surface can easily be repaired to its original state, often with common household products. Wine, coffee, and cigarette stains are just a few of the common stains that are easily removed from Corian surfaces. First, lightly clean the surface of any remnants of the stain. Then, using a Scotch-Brite pad, which can be found at your local grocery or hardware store, begin rubbing the stained surface until the stain is removed. Because of its homogeneous and non-porous properties, you can effortlessly return the Corian surface to its original beauty. Unlike laminates and other materials which cannot be repaired, repairing minor scratches is easy with DuPont Corian Solid Surface. Notice how this laminate sample is deeply scratched. Sanding will only remove the sheen and further damage the surface. This surface may need to be entirely replaced, which is costly. Now, let's look at the repair of a scratched Corian surface. Using the same method as the stain removal, notice that the Corian Solid Surface is restored to its original color and scratches disappear. For very deep cuts and stains, you can contact your DuPont Corian certified fabricator who can easily repair your countertop on site. No matter your color choice or installation type, Corian Solid Surface has the unique ability to be easily repaired or renewed with the use of an easily available household cleaning pad, leaving no mark of the accident visible. Durable, non-porous, and easy to repair, DuPont Corian Solid Surface offers low-maintenance luxury for any installation.